Hi viewers, thanks for visiting my channel again. I have another review again that I just want to start my generator. This one is the 13,500 watts Westinghouse tri-fuel, and suddenly the battery is dead. I already do some charge yesterday, but it's still, I don't have a lock. So when I started, there's no any, I heard some click, but there's no any movement for the engine because this one's die. So let's try to jump start this one. If you have this kind of jump starter, you can use this one as long as 12 volts. So information is there. The brand of this one is Types. I think my brother get this one in Costco, so it's 95%. It's only less 5% to reach the 100%. So let's do it now. Connect it. So let's do the positive. So it bite good. And then put this one in on. Put the propane to open. And let's see if this one can power up this 13,500 watts generator. So let's do it. Press the buttons.